Welcome back to the channel. Today is June 15th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest on Bigbear.Ai Holdings, ticker symbol Bbai. If you're following the AI and analytics sector or looking for high volatility trading opportunities, this update is for you. Let's start with the numbers. As of the last trading session on June 13th, Bbai closed at $3.72, with after-hours trading ticking up slightly to $3.74. The stock is down nearly 3% for the day, and it's been a choppy ride over the past month. Bbai has seen wild swings. Just in the last 2 weeks, it's ranged from a high of $10.36 on February 13th to a low of $1.165 back in August 2024. For context, Bbi's all-time high was $16.12 in April 2022, and its all-time low was 58 cents at the end of 2022. Since that low, the stock has rallied more than 540%, but it's still well off its highs. Looking at recent trading, the volume has been massive, tens of millions of shares traded daily, reflecting intense interest and volatility. The stock has dropped sharply since the start of 2024, when it was trading at $5.80 and closed last year at just 67 cents, an 88% loss for the year. However, 2025 has seen some dramatic rebounds, with huge single-day moves both up and down. Now, let's talk trading strategy. For short-term traders, Bbai is a pure momentum play. If you're looking to trade the volatility, watch for the stock to hold above the $3.70 support level with strong volume before entering. Quick bounces are possible, but tight stop losses are essential to protect against sharp reversals. For longer-term investors, caution is warranted. While the stock has recovered from its lows, it remains highly speculative, and unless there's a clear catalyst, like a major contract win or positive earnings surprise, it's wise to scale in slowly and only with money you can afford to risk. That's it for today's update on Bbai. Let me know in the comments if you're trading this stock or waiting for a more stable setup. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more real-time stock updates and trading strategies. See you in the next video.